Good day everyone. I'm Mark Jason R. Asilom from Base IT 1B. As a student, education is all about preparing you to be a citizen of the world, not just your local community. Global education shows how countries, cultures, and economies. You will learn about different regions, their histories, and how current events is one place can affect another. The world's problems can be solved and individuals working alone, but global education emphasizes collaboration and communication skills so you can work effectively with people from all over the world. Global education is about empowering you to be a more informed, engaged, and responsible citizen who can make a positive impact on the world.